Hi guys, welcome to SA Technical. If you are having trouble with your apps or programs on your Windows 11 PC after update or after cleaning or after restore, maybe something's crashing, freezing or just not working right, then don't worry. In this video, I am going to show you how to repair or reset apps in couple of different ways. It's quick and easy step by step. So let's get started. At first, let me tell you what is the actual problem in my case. Here, I have performed a system restore operation to fix some critical system related errors. But after the restore process is finished, some of my installed apps or programs that are very important are not opening. Anyway, no matter what the problem is, let's look at how to fix apps using Settings app. This method works best for Microsoft Store apps and some built-in ones. So let's do that. First, right-click on Start menu, then click on Settings. On the left side, click on Apps and then choose Installed Apps. Find the app that's giving you trouble. Click the three dots next to it and choose Advanced Options. Unfortunately, not every app will have this option. If you don't see it, skip to the next method. Scroll down and click Repair. This will try to fix apps without deleting any of your data. If that does not work, click Reset instead. But keep in mind, Reset will remove all your settings and signage for that apps. And that's it. For a lot of apps, these simple repair steps can fix crashing, freezing, or weird behaviors. Now for older or traditional programs like Microsoft Office, Adobe apps, or anything you downloaded from the web, you will need to use Control Panel method. Click the search bar and type Control Panel. Open it, then Programs and Feature. Find the program you want to fix. Right click it and look for Repair or something it says Change. Click that and follow the on-screen steps to complete the repair. Just like that, you no need to uninstall anything. If your program does not offer a repair option, you can always uninstall or reinstall it as a last resort. Alright, that's how you repair apps and programs in Windows 11 using both the Settings apps and Control Panel. These methods are super handy if something just not working. So, I hope this quick guide was helpful for you. If you have any question, then please let us know. Please like, comment and share. We need your support. And guys, please don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.